In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign up Hootsuite account. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Hootsuite website. Take a moment to make sure you are on the official site, since that helps ensure your account information stays secure. Once the homepage loads, look for the part of the page that invites you to start a trial or begin using the service. This is where the sign-up process starts, so it is the most important place to click first. Next, click Start Your Free Trial. When you do this, the website should move you to a sign-up or plan selection page. If you see a button with similar wording, such as Free Trial or Start Trial, that is the same starting point. At this stage, the site is preparing to create your new account, so you may notice the page layout changes and more options appear. After you click Start Your Free Trial, you will be prompted to select your plan. Choose the option that matches what you want to do with Hootsuite. If you are just getting started, the free trial plan is usually the best place to begin. Read the plan details carefully so you understand what features are included during your trial. This step matters because your plan determines what tools and limits you can use right away. Once you have selected your plan, the next screen will ask you to enter your name and email address. For the name field, type the name you want associated with your Hootsuite account. For the email field, enter an email address that you can access, since you will need it to verify your account shortly. As you fill this out, double-check that the information is spelled correctly and that there are no extra spaces. Small mistakes here can cause delays when verification is required. Now that your basic details are entered, you should complete the account setup. Depending on the page, this may include confirming your selected plan and reviewing the information you entered. Follow what the site shows you on screen and proceed using the buttons or prompts provided. If there is a summary page, take a quick look to confirm everything looks accurate before you submit. This helps prevent the need to start over. After you complete the account setup, you will need to verify your email address. The website may send a verification email automatically. Switch to your email inbox and look for a message from Hootsuite. If you do not see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder, since sometimes verification emails are filtered. Open the email and look for the verification link, then click it to confirm your account. This step ensures that the email address is valid and that you can securely access your account. Once verification is complete, you are ready to log into your Hootsuite account. Go back to the Hootsuite website and find the login area. Enter the email address you used during sign-up, then enter your account password as requested by the login form. If the site offers a Remember Me option, you can choose it based on your device preferences. Then click the Sign In button to access your dashboard. At this point, you should be in your Hootsuite account and ready to begin using the tools included in your plan. If the site shows any initial onboarding pages, follow those prompts at your own pace. You may see options to connect social profiles or set up basic preferences, but the main goal of signing up is now done. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.